up, y'all? It's your girl, Teyana Taylor, and I'm about to walk y'all through my skincare routine. And then after that, I'm gonna go into a little beat. Y'all ready? Today, I wanna get into deep cleansing because I have been wearing makeup a lot. When I go deep, I gotta get here. I gotta go here with it. Let's check this out. I'm gonna go and wet my face. A little go a long way. Take my rings off too. Doesn't mean I'm single, fellas, calm down. When I had kids and I started to really deal with breakouts, random pimples, bumps, black hair, I started really getting into skincare. My deep cleanse. My soy face cleanser, it's just something about it that just feels really good. I'm a concoction kind of person. Feel nice and clean, which is very, very important for me. I'm gonna go in with my mist first. You need to act right. Don't show off in front of company. I am married. I see how little he does and everything is like just still on point. So I eventually just started doing the same. This is like my favorite lip mask. You see it's almost gone. I add sunscreen to my moisturizer. That's why I like anything that comes in like little jars and stuff. I'm kid-free at the moment, so I'm getting a little extra dramatic with the way I'm like loving on my skin right now. Now my skin is feeling good and we can go into the makeup. Everybody knows the brows and everybody know, or who knows me, know I don't play about them, okay? I can put on brows and not have to worry about nothing else. Once you start brushing it out, that's how you create like your ombre effect. In my upcoming movie, they didn't have us wear much makeup. The one thing they definitely made me wear was that nasty brow. But listen, I was method acting. I was in my bag. It's amazing being back home and filming, you know, putting on for your hometown. I think that's what makes it even doper. What I love about the gel is that you can literally make it do whatever. Yes, Patty! Go back under and define that line, because when you conceal, of course, you know the concealer's gonna hate a little bit. This do for me what Red Bull gives to you, wings. I love NARS. Now I have to mix. See, what a lot of people don't understand is the importance of like knowing your undertone. Because if you don't know your undertone, colors can get real funny. I have an olive undertone. I do kind of go in with my Patty concealer and mix that in because that's where you're gonna get your red tones from. Period. I know how to do my own hair, I know how to do my own makeup, I'm my own stylist. But my Nana did hair for 50 years. So that was just naturally in me, you know, just watching her. Now we're gonna go in, we're gonna brand. I've gotten so used to people not really knowing what to do with Black women's skin. So if you're gonna beat this mug, I need to know that you're gonna know what to do. They already got super strong features and they have a weird undertone. So it's like, I need you to understand that. It makes me feel beautiful. Patty again. I use this Fenty. It's almost like a brick color, you can see. I hold it with the Beauty Blender because one, it helps you not put the fingerprints, because it would nothing worse when you going like this. If you done, you got a whole fingerprint there, like somebody brought you in for questioning. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it's not right. So with this allow it to, you know, and do it soft. You see, it's not a lot of pressure. I love these. Bam, bam. And you even want to go up in there a little bit. I spend less time on my eyes when I have my lashes in. Lashes is popping. I got bottom ones too. Get real twiggy. I'm gonna go back into these right here to start softening that up. It's something about the faces in the 60s that I love. You know, like it was minimum, but they had like dope wings, like crazy, like random wings. The top and bottom lashes, like it was always all in the eyes. I think that was like my favorite, like ever, well, one of my favorite evers of beauty, especially being able to watch like a Diana Ross or Twiggy. But that's how I feel about the 90s too. I feel like in the 90s we went back to like really toning it back down and just focusing on that lip liner. Let me put my lip liner on. Now, I know this may look dark, but I start off dark first so I can go and do all color, because if I go too bright, you see how big my lips are? It will look like it's running into my nose. Same exact colors that I use. Now that I'm mixing all of them, have that little ombre effect. Now we're gonna go in with the same colors. I start from my brows, so everything is kind of like blending. So I go like a little bit in front of my brows and I work my way down. My daughters are so into makeup. Even all the way down to my 2-year-old, she's like, Mommy, I want makeup. So then I'll go and try and hand her like a little brush. She's so smart. She's like, no, I want makeup like your face. Don't hand me no brush. You don't be playing with me. And then Junie is really the one y'all should have had here, because Junie actually do these kind of tutorials on her TikToks that I never allow her to post. Gives her space to express herself. The honey waffles, this is my favorite because it's so hard to find good nudes. And then if you wanna go in, feeling kind of cute. Just a little bit. Oh, look at that pixie lid, the lid. Blush, this works, but very, very subtle. Do not do too much. Getting ready for Met Gala, anything like that, I kind of take those moments to really do things that I've always wanted to try, that I wouldn't necessarily do every single day, but like for special occasions like that, definitely. Especially for the Met girl. Hello, it's time for the bronzer. Gotta take it back with some MAC Cosmetics. Hit that nose right through that little corner. Your Tinkerbell. Just to make it pop. I'm a pixie girl. Literally, during tour, I grew my hair all the way back out to cut it right back off. I have these little rub-on oils. That's the spot my husband likes. This is the body food. Like a lot of like different shea butters, coconut oil. Look at this. I use it on my kids. I'm about to go on a hot date with my husband, hence why you gotta make sure that rose smell good. Love you guys. Peace.